and laughter for everyone. Monday's here, it's time for school. Pack your bag, follow the rule. Learn and grow, so much to do. Sing along, we'll learn it. Reading books and learning math. Writing words and singing songs. The fun of learning all day long. 1/2 there, middle of the week. Work and play, strong and sweet. Solve the puzzle, take your chance. Jump around, it's time to dance. Thursday, Thursday, big and bright. Keep on learning, do what's right. Count the stars and dream so high.